In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn an image into black and white in Photoshop. This is one of the most common photo editing techniques used by photographers, designers, and content creators to create dramatic images, timeless portraits, and professional-looking graphics. The great thing is, Photoshop actually gives you several different ways to convert an image to black and white, and each method has its own advantages depending on how much control you want over the final result. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through 3 different methods. First, the fastest method that takes about 10 seconds. Second, the professional, non-destructive method that most designers use. And third, a quick keyboard shortcut that instantly removes color. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which method to use in different situations. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into Photoshop. First, let's look at the fastest method to turn any image into black and white. Start by opening your image inside Photoshop. You can do that by going to File and then Open, or simply dragging your image directly into Photoshop. Once your photo is open, go to the top menu and click on Image. From the drop-down menu, choose Adjustments, and then select Black and White. As soon as you click this option, Photoshop will instantly convert your image into a black and white version. A panel will appear with several sliders that allow you to adjust the tones of different colors in the image. If you want, you can move these sliders to fine-tune how the grayscale image looks. For example, adjusting certain sliders can brighten parts of the image or darken others depending on the original colors. But if you're happy with the default result, you can simply click OK. And that's it, your image is now converted to black and white in just a few seconds. This method is great when you need a quick result. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the best and most professional way to convert images to black and white in Photoshop. Instead of editing the image directly, designers usually use something called an adjustment layer. The advantage of this method is that it's non-destructive, which means your original image stays untouched, and you can always come back later and change the settings. To do this, go to the top menu and click Layer. Then choose New Adjustment Layer and select Black and White. A small window will appear asking you to confirm the new layer. Simply click OK. Photoshop will now add a black and white adjustment layer above your image, and your photo will automatically convert to grayscale. Now you'll see several sliders that control how different colors appear in black and white. These include reds, yellows, greens, cyans, blues, and magentas. Each slider controls the brightness of that specific color in the grayscale image. This is where you get powerful control over the final look. For example, if you increase the red slider, skin tones in portraits often become brighter and smoother. If you decrease the blue slider, skies can become darker and more dramatic. Adjusting the greens can change how foliage and grass appear in landscape photos. Because this is an adjustment layer, you can come back anytime and tweak these sliders without permanently affecting the original image. This flexibility is why most professional designers prefer this method when working on important projects. Now let's quickly look at the third method, which is the fastest shortcut possible. If you simply want to remove all color instantly, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus U on your keyboard. The moment you press this shortcut, Photoshop will strip all the color from the image and convert it to grayscale immediately. It's extremely fast and useful when you just need a quick black and white version. However, there is one downside. This method gives you no control over how individual colors translate into grayscale, so you can't adjust brightness for different color ranges like you can with the black and white adjustment layer. So to quickly recap, you have 3 ways to turn an image into black and white in Photoshop: the Image Adjustments black and white option for quick edits, the Adjustment Layer method for professional non-destructive control, and the Ctrl-Shift-U shortcut for instant desaturation. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more quick Photoshop tips and tricks, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.